Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your Master of Ceremonies, Angry Aaron. Good morning, Riot. 19 years we have been a party to one of the Mid-Atlantic region's finest off-season events. 19 years. What does that mean? Students in the audience, raise your hand if you've been alive for as long as Riot's been around. The answer is none of you. You're not a student, I can tell from here, and you're in the dark. All right, 19 years. In the year 2000, when Riot started, guess how many events there were in a first season? Take a guess, just shout a number out. 2000, how many events? 11. There were 11 events in the year 2000. In 2000, Riot started with 8 teams as a little off-season scrimmage. And today, 19 years later, Riot 19, a full house of 36 teams, 19 years going strong, going from 11 events in the year 2000 across the entire world to 189. That tells you how much FIRST is growing. This is an awesome program, and FIRST would not be possible without the hard work and dedication of many of our teams that are here today, and many of the teams we look forward to helping build and we'll see in the upcoming seasons. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome you to Riot 19 and check out our video.
The intros at the beginning. I love that. That's cool.
When I first joined FIRST Robotics, I thought it was all about the robotics part of it, but now that I've grown, I've seen more the leadership and the teamwork part of it.
When I first joined the team, I was super shy. I did not talk to anybody, but now I've become more confident, more outgoing.
I've definitely become more team-oriented, became a lot more open communication. I was an awkward high schooler. I'm still an awkward high schooler, but I guess that's what I'm to do, you know?
So Riot was my first ever FIRST competition as an FTC student in 8th grade, and it really just introduced me to the sense of community that FIRST has, and it continues to do so every year, and that's why I keep coming back. My favorite part of Riot is probably all the teams and the people that go. I feel like it's a lot different energy than most other competitions I've been to.
Definitely the FRC-FTC split is really great. It's an overall really good experience. Definitely my favorite off-season event.
I like the community. Everyone's just so friendly. There's never any negativity. Everyone's just getting along, having a good time.
I love the competitive spirit there and how everyone still really wants to win, but also everyone understands that it's nice that we can have fun but still compete. Riot attracts the best of the best. You got a lot of awesome teams coming.
There's so many different cultures, so many different types of people.
And I think that I've become a better engineer, but also just a better all-around person. Riot's a much more laid-back competition compared to other ones, which can be a lot more intense. And I think it just gives a lot of new students a good opportunity, which they would never get.
FIRST has given me a home and a place where I feel comfortable, and I've been able to grow as a human being and just learn and love people and love FIRST and everything that it offers.
Ladies and gentlemen, to introduce your Riot participants here today, I'd like a warm welcome for your game announcer, Eric Del Santo. Good morning, Ambler. Representing Flanders, New Jersey, it's Mark. From Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania, it's Cybersonics, Mr. Piscataway, New Jersey, the Tribe. York, Pennsylvania, it's Tech Fire. From Lansdale, Pennsylvania. Right, Tech Fire, cool. From Lansdale, Pennsylvania, it's Cyber Crusaders. From Pennington, New Jersey, it's Team Spike. From Pennsboro, New Jersey, it's Lunatics. From Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, it's Robo-Lancers. Your host from Ambler, Pennsylvania, it's Miss Daisy. From Newington, Delaware, it's the Miracle, it's Mo. From Windhoek, Pennsylvania, it's Simple Machines. From Claretown, Pennsylvania, it's Firebirds. From Hagertown, Pennsylvania, it's Robo Force. From Warminster, Pennsylvania, it's Robo Coursier. From Horsham, Pennsylvania, it's Anarchist Robotics. From Center Valley, Pennsylvania, it's Spartex. From Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, it's Vulcan Robotics. From Westchester, Pennsylvania, it's the Metal Moose. From Stillman, New Jersey, it's Cougar Robotics. From Downingtown, Pennsylvania, Oh my lordy, it's Sabotage. From Montvale, New Jersey, it's the Pascack Pioneers. From Ardmore, Pennsylvania, it's Dogma. From Ewing, New Jersey, it's the Mighty Monkey Wrenches. From Palmyra, Pennsylvania, it's Krypton Cougars. From Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, it's Normality Zero. From Provinceville, New Jersey, it's Nemesis. From Warminster, Pennsylvania, it's the Fighting Robo Vikings. From Seoul, New Jersey, it's Cyberstorm. From Clifton, New Jersey, it's Mechanical Mustangs. From State College, Pennsylvania, it's Center County 4-H Robotics. From Roxbury Township, New Jersey, it's Robotics. From Pensacola, New Jersey, it's Bird. From Bensalem, Pennsylvania, it's the Fighting Robotic Owls. From Lansdale, Pennsylvania, it's Gear Rats. From Warminster, Pennsylvania, it's William Tennant Robotics. And last but certainly not least, from East Brunswick, New Jersey, it's Australia Robotics. Ladies and gentlemen, one last round of applause for your Riot 19 team. All right, as our lights come up this morning, I want to talk a little bit about our schedule today.
Are we done or no?
First, we will have 5 qualification matches for all of our teams. All 36 teams will experience 5 qualification matches. That will take us up to about 12:30 today. We'll go immediately from qualification matches into our alliance selection process. Given that we got 36 teams, we are going to form 8 alliances of 4 teams each, leaving us with 4 spares just in case. After alliance selections, we'll then break for a lunch period. Depending on how things go this morning, we're going to try to make sure everyone gets at least 30 minutes for lunch. If we have extra time, awesome. You can always eat more delicious concessions available right outside the gym here. After lunchtime, we'll have a few awards to give out. After which we'll move into our playoffs. The playoff format in first is very simple. It's a best-of-3 format. Quarterfinals, semifinals, and finals moving on to determine the winner of Grand Prix our playoffs. We'll hand out our team awards, some of which are judged and some of which are based on your contributions here this weekend. And finally, we'll wrap up with a wonderful goodbye and thank you, and looking forward to next year's Ramp Riot 20. With that out of the way, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you all to please rise and remove your caps. And please welcome out Wissahickon High School's own Avery Hirsch, as seen on both Fox 29 and heard on Ben FM, to sing our national anthem. Avery, take it away.
What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed. And the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Ladies and gentlemen, Avery Hirsch. Avery, thank you so much. Excellent rendition. All right, teams, let's get your robots out here out of the field for match number 1. DJ, let's get that music pumping. We'll see you down on the field in just 4 minutes.